This is a used 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, powered by 4-wheel drive, a 6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, heavy-duty suspension, premium rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature control, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Good Motor is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1096 East Main Street, Burley, Idaho, 83318.